Today I'm going to show you how to change the codes on standard digital door locks, which commonly makes a secure, fast and ERA. This is the old type, this is the new type. So I'd like to zoom in, we'll show you how to change the code on an old type digital door lock. To get out the pins we need to take the 4 screws out. Once taking the 4 screws out, pull the face plate off, make sure it's up straight so we don't lose the screws. Now, if you look inside the digital door lock, we can see the different pins. So we've got blank, which is for cancel. We've got red, which is our code. 1, 2, that's slightly faded, but that should be red. And 2 more reds there. The blacks is our neutral ones. So that's what, if you press, it won't operate the lock. So, but if you're colourblind, you won't be able to tell which one's black and which one's red. So how we do that is if we pull the black one out, we'll notice the cuttings on the top. Now we pull the red one out. Cuttings on the bottom. That's how we tell which one's our code or not, if you can't tell the colours on the top. Can be a little bit awkward, so just take your time. So we're going to change the code today. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to change 2 numbers around. So I'm going to change number 8, number 5 over. So pull that one out, lie down. That's the one that's going to be it. And number 5. What I need to make sure is because I'm swapping from the opposite side, I need to turn the pin round. Sorry, I put it in the wrong way then. The reason for that is because I need to make sure that the peak is always on the outside. So the peak is now on the outside. So push that in. Like so. And the same with this one. Make sure the peak is on the outside. Like so. Slide that in. So our code now is 5670Z. We're going to make sure all our peaks are on the outside. Now we screw our plate back on. I'm going to test it. So we know it's 5670Z. So cancel it. 5670Z. And it turns anti-clockwise. There we go. Now we're going to move on and do it on the new style. So same again, we need to take the plate off. So we took these 2 screws out. There we go. Now, we set our pins. So if you notice on this code, it's not been completely set. So it's got number 4 and number 3 facing inwards and Y. So it's only a 3-digit code. So how we do is, all we need to do is swap the codes around. So all we do is literally, it's called an easy turn, we just turn it round like so. So we'll change these round. So the code will now be, we'll keep it simple. We'll call it 1, 2, 3, 4, Y. So all the ones should be facing out, yes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, Y. So now put the cap back on. So as we can tell, the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, Y. So cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, Y. There we go. Thank you.